Hello and welcome to another BMW adventure, where today's adventure starts here at Universal Studios parking lot garage to go inside Universal Studios Florida for another Halloween Horror Night construction update. So let's go inside and see if we see any new props, new tents for foods. Let's check in the bar. How exciting. Halloween starts in September. Let's go inside. Another Halloween Horror Night construction update 32. So we're right here at Universal Studios entry, right at the archways, and behind us we have those trucks now have lighting on them, one on the left and one on the right, to shine down on Halloween Horror Nights 32. Let's go inside because there's a prop right inside. Past the arches, when you come inside, we have two lighting truss with lighting on them, one to the left and one to the right. But we got to go this way to get to our first scare zone. And how scary is this? The line. Let's check it out. So we made it into the park, and the first scare zone is Dr. Oddfellow. And we were wondering if this was going to be some kind of stage with a scare actor on the top. I don't know, I'm thinking so. It looks like a stage on top of some lighting. All it's missing is the Halloween Horror Nights 32 logo. And on the left, it looks like some kind of stairway to climb up there. So I'm gonna assume that we're gonna have a scare actor up there. How cool is that? Wow. So let's go toward Beverly's Hill instead of New York City and see if we see anything new. So as soon as you come in on the right hand side going toward Beverly's Hill, we have our first prop. Wow, look how cool is that? Like the bat up there, it's like all like a kind of a castle, and definitely some kind of stage for Dr. Oddfellow. And it's really all rusted. And then I like how they added the little details of the spider web on this wheel. Got some luggage down here, old school, and one big one there. So let's go to the back and see if we see anything back there. We made it over here on the back, and look at the details on this. It's got a dragon and two creepy hands holding lights on the left and the right. Definitely some kind of stage. You got the back door here. Looking at it, doesn't look like it opens, but over here we have this circus, and it definitely opens for a scare actor to go into. And it even has the doorknob. Wow. Almost here. So let's head on. Oh, let's just go over here. There's some more details over here that we didn't see. Kind of got the dragon still, and those creepy hands with those lights. Wow. Going into Beverly's Hill, the only thing they added is some new lighting. Nothing really else here. Still the same in the front, and then over here on the right, we have that Sagittarius. Let's go check it out. So nothing really new over here, but I noticed they took the gates down. They got the sign, Partner Does. With the Sagittarius, I still think this thing's gonna move up and down, because there's a little hole there for something. But look at the details. Even the sign is rusted. Do not climb. And we did add a speaker, and there's a foot pedal right there for a scare actor. So somebody's definitely gonna be up there. And then we've added all the electrical outlets. So over here with the scorpion, they took down the fence, put the sign, Partner Does, Do Not Climb. We have a speaker along with a pedal, so definitely a scare actor gonna be up here. And this year, like they do every year for the Halloween Horror Night Tribute Store, you can pay a small price to have your picture in the wall. Now, like the year before it was a tombstone, and then last year I forget what it was, but this year it's on a comic book. How cool is that? And the jewelry store will be based around horror comic books. So quick question as I stop in the Five and Dime store. I'm thinking about buying this Hawaiian shirt for Halloween Horror Nights, and you can see it's Frankenstein monsters. It's $70 regular price, but with my discount I can get it for $40. So leave a comment below. Do you think I should buy it for Halloween Horror Nights 32? And we added 2 more lights up here. And that's pretty much it over here at Beverly's Hills and the Dark Zodiac. Let's go over to the jungle now. And I see a lot of cool stuff. So we made it out of Beverly's Hills, which is over there. And then over here is the jungle. So just to give you an idea, here is the first bar. And you see they moved all those chairs out of there. And we got the menu signs up. We don't know what this is going to be. Last year it was The Weekend. Is it going to be Stranger Things? Is it going to be Universal Monsters? We got some heating lamps back there, some grills. But yeah, getting it ready. We're almost there. Halloween Horror Nights 32. So we're left of the jungle, but I just wanted to come and check this water feature out. It's always here, but this year, as always, it is decorated for Halloween. So bright. And then behind us is the first restaurant. And look how bright that is. We got the skulls on it. We got flowers. And we also have all kind of cooking utensils inside there. So yeah, not sure what they're gonna serve here. Made it over here in the jungle. And wow, they've added a lot of forage. They added some fire lamps. Definitely some kind of stage. And they've added all these stuff hanging down on these lines here. Vines, even on the fence. So yeah, look at this, man. They have like a vine all the way down the fence. And I'm not sure what kind of prop this is, but it's definitely gonna have some kind of scare actor in it because it's zitted right down the middle there where they can be in there. But they got it all dolled up. And all these props, look at all these hiding spots. Wow, they could be anywhere in here. Even the back here with the detail. We got a fog machine there on the bottom. Some more little boo holes. An old school camera, toolboxes. This looks like an army one. And then over here with this airplane, wow, they did an outstanding job. You can't even tell. The plane has crashed. And then, oh, look up there. Whoa, there's a parachute. Wow, this is going to be great with the fog. Some more props. Got that vine on the other side, all up and down, left and right of these trees. Oh, we got a little stage thing here, like they're cooking some rats. A little makeshift hut. Some more boo holes. And that vine going all the way down. Even on that side, got some lighting fixtures. Another fog machine to the right. Oh, this has got a lot going on. Definitely some kind of scare actor. We have a spider in this tree. That is from the bugs. Even one here with the spider web. Wow, the scare zone's gonna be good. Oh, and don't forget about the bats. There's only 3 in here. I was hoping they hang a lot more, but they sure are cool. And they're at the end of the scare zone. So right in the beginning of the scare zone here in San Francisco, they've added some signs here at the Lighting Trust. Shipyard 32, and I like how it's all rusted, salt corroded. Wow, that is super cool. Right outside, one in the beginning of the park and one at the end. So right outside the left, we had some added stuff. We have a cage. Looks like a scare actor will be in here with a speaker with the back door. So definitely some kind of scare actor back here. Wonder what it's gonna be. And then over here, we thought at first it would be a anchor, but it is a crane. And man, they've added a lot here. We got that little boo-hole on the top. This crate is falling over. Wow. We got a light, some kind of boating lighting here. I'm not sure what this is called, but still. And we have a back door right here for that boo actor right up there. So we have this wooden crate over here, but there's going to be a scare actor in here. You can look right in there and see the shadow. I'm not going to touch it. It's on both sides. So we made it over here at the bar. Not really too much new over here, but those lighting trusts, they added some kind of pole here on either side. And you can see the speakers are facing back this way. So let's go in the back and see if we see anything new back there. So we're back here in the back, nothing new. I still think this is gonna be some kind of stage, but they cleared it all out and nothing new on these trusses back here. So nothing really new back here. Let's go back here and see if we see anything new back here besides the rearranging of the fence that they got back here. No, nothing new. Just those lighting trusses along the water, along with our theme park pigeon. So nothing new back here at the bar. So right in walking into New York City on the light post, they have this Summer Music Fest 69, and we all know how this is going to go. 3 days of love and music and festival right here at New York City, Vamp 69. They have the yellow one, they have a green one, and a blue one. Central Park, just to give you an idea. There's the Christmas store, and we have our food tents here, and I believe this is themed to just The Last of Us. But they got the lights that are lit up, and they got the board for the food. Nothing there yet. Wow, how cool is that? Kudos to Universal Studios to going the extra mile. And then on the other side, where the Camp Yeti is, we have this one, which is around Stranger Things. It looks like the pizza company. That is cool. They got the lights going on, they got the stage. And over here in Central Park, you can see right over there is those props that we were just at. We have this one here, which I believe it's based around Camp Yeti. Wow, how cool is that? Got the horns going on, the lights are lit up, the board for the food, still nothing yet. And the Transformer queuing, overflowing queuing line, we got that bar going on. So you see they're getting it already. They'll have some spooky stuff hanging up here. But yeah, this will be your bar, and then behind us will be the pizza from Stranger Things and Camp Yeti. So real quick, I ran into one of our YouTubers, Rick, from Rick Flicks, and we stopped and talked a little while. Really cool guy. He's doing a Halloween Horror Night construction update and possibly doing a food review. Well, that's it from Universal Studios Florida for another Halloween Horror Night construction update. Wow, how great that was. It was a great day. We saw some new props, some food temps. We ran into Rick from Rick Flicks. He's a great guy. Shout out to him. He gave me some great tips. This is something I want to do. This has been my dream, to be like him, to be like Tim Tracker and make videos that you guys like and give you some insights. If you like what you saw, hit that notification button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that like button. I'll be here for Halloween Horror Nights employee preview night, and I'm gonna make a quick little film. So if that's something you're interested in, you know what to do. Until next time, I'll see you in the fog. Well, that's it from Universal Studios Florida for another Halloween Horror Night construction update. If you like what you saw, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and please follow me. Well, I'll be here for Halloween Horror Nights preview night for employees, and I'll be filming. If you want to see that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All in all, it was a great day. We ran into Rick from Rick Flicks, really great guy. Shout out him. Thank you for the tips. This is something I want to do, cover theme parks and construction. He was a great guy. He gave me a great tip. So